Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be playing with slime. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Circle. In today's vlog, we're going to be playing with slime. So let's get right into the video. So here come my slime, and he got white flummies. Y'all be watching them other videos. That's not me having zombies. And it's not sticky. It's just crunchy.
Prescott gets his first rush touchdown of the season.
Yeah, this slime is tough. It's real tough actually. And yeah, I added gum to this. And I added clay. So it will be stiff. But I have a lot of containers like this. Like, I have this color, I can change the top. I can change this one to, I was not gonna see it. But yeah. See? Yeah. I got a blue one, I got a red one, and I got a burgundy one. So, I'm gonna try clicking test. It's so cloudy. See? And it is real scratchy. It's real scratchy. See, I barely can scratch it some up. And this slime is legit. And I'm doing this video in the kitchen. I'm sorry if the video is long. If you like long videos, this shit. Bye guys. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below in the description if you want me to do another video. And hit that bell and give me a big thumbs up. Because I only got one like on YouTube and I'm mad. Bye. Peace.